Hi, so today I'm going to be cleaning a VCR and I'm going to show you how I do it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we have here the main drum right here. And on this drum there are two heads on either side. The erase head over here. The other side, which also has an erase head. I'm going to be using the chamois swabs to clean the VCR heads. I'm using a 91% alcohol to clean the heads. We're going to take our swab and gently clean the drum and the whole tape path. You're going to want to rotate the drum and carefully clean around, not to put too much pressure where the actual heads are. Here's one of the heads right here on the drum, so we're going to just lightly press down and clean off any of the dirt or grime that could potentially clog the heads on this VCR. There's not too much dirt on this machine as we do perform regular maintenance on all our decks. Moving on to the erase head over here. So this is another one that you want to clean. And then moving over to the other side, which also has an erase head, as well as one of the audio heads that syncs up the audio right over there. So we're going to go ahead and clean all of that. We are going to clean the tape path, all of the guides, the rollers, everything which comes in contact with the tape itself. Right here is the pinch roller. You do not want this to be shiny. You want it to be nice and dull. I would not use alcohol on this, as alcohol is going to dry everything up. But there are rubber rejuvenator kits out there which you can use, but this is not so bad. So I don't really have to worry about this one. That pretty much wraps it up on a quick cleaning of this VCR. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section. You can always email us, call us if you have any other tape orders or any other questions. Thank you for watching.